Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use AI to make thumbnails. Here's how to use AI to make YouTube thumbnails using one of the best AI website, simplified.com, and easy steps. First is to open your web browser, then go to the simplified.com and click sign up. You can use Google or email. Once logged in, click Create New from the left sidebar, go to Design, choose AI YouTube Thumbnail, then click Continue. And the prompt box, describe your thumbnail. For example, a dramatic gaming thumbnail with lighting effects, dark background, and bold text. Epic boss fight. Choose an orientation, make sure it's landscape, then choose stock image or AI image, but I'll choose stock image for this. Click continue, click on the pre-design, just click one, and finally, click generate and wait for the AI to create several designs. Pick your favorite result and click use in editor to customize it. Go to text to add text titles, go to visuals to add or replace elements, icons, or overlays, and once done, click export PNG, then click download to save the finished thumbnail to your PC and upload it to YouTube. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.